Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot the Wells Fargo app when it isn't working properly. So first, check your internet connection, then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the problem. Next, close the Wells Fargo app completely and then reopen it. If it still isn't working, then you should try restarting your phone as well. Then check your official app store for a Wells Fargo Mobile update. Installing the latest version can fix problems caused by outdated software. So you should also check that your phone has enough available storage and that its operating system is up to date. If the app won't open or keeps crashing, then check whether Wells Fargo is experiencing a service interruption. And if the issue continues, then you can try reinstalling the app, but make sure you know your login and verification details first. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.